Today, I'm really excited to introduce this new course that I've been working on. As you might have seen, Angular 7 has just been released. In the case you don't know where to start, and you don't know much about Angular, this course is meant for you. In this video series, you'll learn how to build this Angular app. As simple as it might look, you'll learn a lot of concepts necessary to build your foundation, and progress towards more complex applications. As you can see, this application is fully responsive. During this series, we'll do testing on virtual devices, but also on real-world smartphones. Now let's have a look at the project. This is a 5 videos series. The first one will be installing the Angular CLI and creating our first project. In the second episode, we'll be installing Bootstrap 4 and generating our first component. The third episode will be on generating and routing the remaining components. For the fourth one, we'll add some spice into the styling. Finally, in the last episode, we'll deploy our application with Firebase hosting. This is it. I hope I get you excited for this Angular 7 series. By the way, the first episode is coming out tomorrow, so subscribe to not miss anything. See you soon.